owners. This t-shirt I'm wearing was dedicated to cancer awareness in addition to, and I want to publicly thank all the artists that participated with such beautiful artwork. I'm sitting at a chair dedicated to Susan DeFos. Check, she's a Libra. How cool is that? I'm at the Point Lighthouse in Cape St. Francis, and it's the oldest, one of the oldest, if not the oldest, working lighthouse in South Africa, which is special. It's seen a whole lot of things that we haven't seen. Imagine we could tap into its memory. Why are we here? We're here because these are the places we should seek out to find the little moments that we can put in a box and cherish for the rest of our lives, where we find meaning, where beautiful oceans like this, filled with sea life, major monuments that stand out all day long, never sleep, and perhaps read a copy of, guys, this is a magazine, in case you don't know. Read a copy of the Rolling Stone filled with beautiful lifestyle articles. That's edition 5, the travel guide version. Getting ready to gear up towards your future road tripping. The St. Francis is a really cool spot. It's bougie, it's wealthy, community driven. It's got some wonderful landmarks which we'll be showing you in a future series. The cannabis community is alive and well. The wellness industry is alive and well. And the tourism sector is obviously alive and well as well. So we're en route from here up to Port Elizabeth. We're coming back down here in the next few days in order to do some interview vlogs and stuff. And I wanted to say, what a beautiful day. Don't like us, don't follow us, roll with us, and keep rolling whatever you do.